the trend cutting and grinding disc range. The resin-bonded fiberglass mesh construction increases durability up to 30% over conventional grinding discs, while the semi-open coat bond provides the perfect balance between speed of cut, waste clearance, heat build-up, and quality of finish, with a hardness rating of T for increased strength and durability in abrasive materials. At 115mm or 4.5 inches diameter, they are compatible with all standard 22.2mm bore angle grinders. With easy-to-read icons for selecting the correct disc based on application for safe disc use, provided with a metal storage tin to protect and transport unused discs.